The administrators of Gordon House have been working to modernize the operations of Parliament through expanded use of technology, aiming to boost transparency and efficiency in the new legislative term. Speaker of the House of Representatives, Juliet Holness, has reaffirmed their commitment to improving the facilities while addressing the opening ceremony of the orientation of members of Parliament in the House on Tuesday. Mrs. Holness says the use of digital tools would enhance public access to legislative activities and improve overall functioning of Parliament. In the previous parliamentary term, several key technological upgrades were implemented at Gordon House, including the installation of an $18 million Televic D Cerno conference microphone system. A hybrid meeting format was also introduced, allowing MPs to attend committee meetings virtually. Addressing both returning and newly elected MPs, Mrs. Holness also reiterated her commitment to upholding fairness and order, while reminding them of their responsibility to represent the people of Jamaica with integrity.
Your role extends beyond debate and legislation. We are all here to protect the interests of the people. We are advocates and decision makers whose work shape the future of the nation. It is our collective duty to honor that trust with integrity and diligence.
She notes that the orientation session is designed to equip members with a deeper understanding of parliamentary procedures.
This orientation session is designed to prepare us for the journey ahead. You will hear today how Parliament works, the role of committees, the critical importance of the standing orders, and the support available from our skilled parliamentary staff.
Deputy Leader of Government Business in the House, Minister Robert Morgan, and Leader of Opposition Business, Philip Paulwell, both spoke of the importance of the orientation session.
I think it's very important that we have an orientation session for new members, and thankfully we have had some of the previous members here as well, because it gives you an opportunity to understand how the House functions and also introduces you to the important staff that is there, the clerk, the deputy clerk, the various auxiliary workers who are here to assist us in doing our job. So it's a very important exercise.
The orientation is very important because members need to know from early the rules governing their conduct in the Parliament, and oftentimes people can get those wrong.
We caught up with one of the newly elected MPs, Ms. Nikisha Burchill, who represents St. James Southern, and got her thoughts on the session.
I feel this kind of orientation will get us ready for just the practices, the procedures, what governs Parliament, but also will help to get people settled into the role quicker.